And the strap's put on. Whoa, check out that hand.
It's like a backpack.
Oh yeah, he knows that back.
I'm going to turn you just a little bit like this.
Crazy.
Around here.
Adjust the back.
Look at that.
Strap.
Oh, he's already figuring it out. Okay.
Well, he's working on it.
There's 2 ways to do it, I think.
Oh, are they?
That's freaky.
It's
Takes
cool.
some getting used to, doesn't it? Because it's artificial. It's not a real hand, but it has the function of
Ah.
grabbing like a hand does.
What do you think, dude?
He can make it work. I have a couple of them.
That's one way to do it. So if you relax this shoulder, see how it opens? And then tighten that shoulder so that starts to close. Reach up. So you make your back big. There you go.
Oh, make your back big. That's good.
Like a big old bruiser.
Nice work. Wyatt, very nice.
Oh, look at him move stuff with that thing.
Wow.
Dude, that's impressive.
This thing maybe is harder, huh?
Got it.
Wow, pal. Super cool.
I usually start with these because they're perfect shape for the hand or position
Oh,
that they are, and then we're just working on a little graded height and
Yeah. Bless you.
very good.